Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive into this video. Now in this video, I'm going to be taking you through one of the two steps, or one of the process I've been using in the past to better my audio in Premiere Pro. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. But trust me, at the end of this video, your audio is not going to stay the same. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. The first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to open up a project that you might have worked on in the past, or that particular project that you have finished editing, and all you need to do are different tweaks on your audio section. Now, I'm going to ask you to go into the audio section in Premiere Pro. That is up on the menu bar, so go into the audio section. Once you're in the audio section, I'm going to ask you to go to the audio track mixer. In the audio track mixer, you realize they are giving you just sliders that show you the different lines or even layers of audio that you only have on your timeline. So what I usually do is I play around with these particular audio mixer levels as I mute one as I'm working on each other. Remember, in one of my editing videos previously that I shared, I'm going to link it in the description below or even up here. In that video, I told you to better your audio, you need to have your background music playing around -24 and -30. So the reason that's why I first mute my A-roll is to make sure that I slide these track mixer levels so that my audio levels play around that area, and then when I'm done working on my background music levels, then I go to the A-roll levels, and then I'll tweak that or even slide that up and down so that it moves around -6 and -3 dB. That is all you need to do to better your audio. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it has been useful to you. I advise you to like and subscribe to my channel. Or even if you have any question, comment in the comment section below. There are just two things you need to do. You need to open up Premiere Pro, open that particular sequence or even that particular sequence project you have been working on in the past, then go to audio. When you go to the audio, you will go to the audio track mixer. Then once you get to the audio track mixer, play with those panels, all those knobs, and then at the end of the day, I believe you'll be able to get amazing audio levels. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.